Introducing the Illuminate for Tesla rear side window LED decorative kit, specially designed for the Tesla Model Y. This DIY kit allows Tesla owners to customize their rear quarter window with adjustable neon lights, stickers, and figures, creating a unique and personalized look for their vehicle. The kit features automatic power-off functionality to prevent power wastage when the vehicle is not in use. With two styles of ambient lights available, RGB and COB, Tesla owners can adjust the brightness, color, and on-off settings to suit their preferences. Safety is a priority, and the Tesla Model Y rear side window neon light kit is made of durable and sun-resistant ABS material. It uses energy-saving lamp beads to save and protect Tesla power, ensuring stable and bright lighting without hindering driving. Installation is hassle-free with non-marking tape that securely attaches the kit to the rear side window. No wiring changes are required, and the package includes tools and detailed installation instructions and videos for easy setup. Plus, the kit comes with customizable background stickers and figurines for a personalized touch. Customer reviews praise the kit for its comprehensive installation guide, customizable features, and attention-grabbing design. However, some users note that the lights do not automatically turn on-off with the car and express limitations in the available figures/themes. In conclusion, the Illuminate for Tesla rear side window LED decorative kit offers Tesla Model Y owners an easy and creative way to enhance the look of their vehicle. With its customizable features, automatic power-off function, and easy installation, it's a compelling choice for those looking to personalize their Tesla Model Y.